Hey, how you guys doing? Back with another episode. I'm with my brother right here, and it's a very short trip, yes. So we're just gonna go into it. He's gonna say his name, and he wants us to talk about church and why he doesn't wanna go to church. I'm gonna whip his ass. So my brother, who are you, and why are you no longer going to church now?
Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Nick. So yeah, I don't want to go to church anymore. I don't feel like going to church anymore.
Why, my brother? Why?
Man, I grew up in church.
Sure.
And yeah, I then came to a point whereby I was so much exposed to church politics and stuff.
Oh yeah, sure.
Then yeah.
By politics, man. By politics, what do you mean?
No, everything that goes around in church.
Around the church,
I was exposed to it.
Yeah, sure.
That I know when stuff is happening in church. I know when stuff is happening. I know.
In 600 meters,
when
turn
everything
right
is
on
happening in
Albatross
church.
Street.
Yeah.
So I grew up in church. I play piano.
Bro, that's crazy. You know how to play piano?
No, I play piano.
You were playing it for your dad since you said you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So then I joined this other pastor.
Yeah.
It was okay. The first days everything was okay. We become family.
Yeah.
Then the church started growing and stuff. So
Sure.
it came to a point whereby I started having personal problems.
Yeah,
at
sure.
home, like with my wife and stuff.
Yeah, sure.
Tried to reach out to the brother, like I
Yeah.
was just treating him
Turn
as a
right on
brother.
Albatross Street.
Yeah.
When I reached out, I realized that I wasn't fitting in.
Oh yeah. Like you were trying to help.
Yeah. I was trying to
you
help.
wanted to get help.
I wanted to get help.
Sure.
But then I then realized that in church,
In
in this
300
world,
meters,
if you don't
turn
have
left on
money,
Langenhoven Street.
if you are disadvantaged somehow, you don't fit in some circles. You know
Yeah,
what I'm
sure.
talking about?
Yeah.
So
Sure.
I
got
tried
you.
to reach out, and I'm like, bruh, this is what's going on with me.
Man, do you believe this problem started in church? The whole thing that made you
Turn left
No,
on
it doesn't.
Langenhoven Street.
People have problems.
to problems. Yeah, I believe. Yeah, sure. I
Personal
know that.
problems. Yes, I said personal problem. It was my personal problem.
Sure.
So, bruh. Then later on, I started working with another church guy. Like I was working with another church guy. He was my boss.
In
Took me
300
in,
meters,
guys,
turn
let's
right
work.
on Central Avenue.
Sure.
So we started working. But now that I'm no longer in good terms with the so-called pastor.
Pastor, yeah, sure.
See, then I started having, like, he went to my boss. It's like, if this guy is no longer coming to church, because I was playing for another church here in Captain Park.
Yeah, sure.
This guy is no longer coming to church, fire him. But I'm asking
Turn
if
right
we are
on
brothers.
Central Avenue.
That's crazy.
I'm trying to get some extra cash, maybe for my family.
Sure.
So if we are brothers, are you not supposed to support me?
Yeah,
That I'm now getting something for my family.
sure.
Aren't you supposed to stand with me?
To stand with you.
Why
Yeah.
then do you want me to get fired? I started having those
Just ahead,
questions,
turn left on
that
Braille
started
Avenue.
spinning in my head. I ended up like, I know what, let me leave this thing.
Sure.
Let me just go back home, sit, spend my Sundays home alone.
Yeah,
and
sure.
Let me try to think.
Turn left on Braille Avenue.
So I don't know, man. I'm just heartbroken with this
With the
whole thing that
whole-
is
yeah,
happening
sure.
in church today.
You know, my brother. I'm gonna. Since you saying you were believing
Just
in
ahead,
Jesus
turn
Christ
left on
previously,
Captain
ne?
I do. Even now,
Even
I do.
now you do, ne?
But I just don't know if I'm ready to be.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. Whoever is a Jesus Christ son or daughter, I love those people, ne? So let me tell you one thing, cause I love you.
Yeah.
You see, whatever happened
Turn
at
left
church,
on
it
Kempton
was
Road,
all
then
about
drop off
business. So you were working there, you were doing that, you wanted to get paid, and the jealousy started
that's
coming
the thing.
in. Yeah.
That's the thing, bro. I never asked for any money.
For any, yeah,
I wasn't
sure.
getting paid. I was just doing out of the heart, out
Of
of
the
my
heart, yeah.
So, you know how it is. Like
Drop
you
off
putting
then.
your heart on something,
Yeah, sure.
then all of a sudden the thing that you're putting your heart on,
Yeah,
there seems to be something wrong.
sure.
No, it
Yeah. No, I get your
So
point.
yeah, but that's my story. I just don't know right now.
Would
I'd really love to go to church one day,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I don't know if I'm ready to.
You know, the ready time. Today it's Sunday. I'm talking to you. It's Sunday, and if you're free, just go to any church and just don't play anything there. Just
So
go
you
to
see,
receive
that's
the
where
message.
the problem is in Africa.
Yeah.
We always think like those guys who came to church to play, they're only coming to church to play.
Yeah, I mean, I used to think of that, my brother. Would see, you owing Uber 28,000 rand, my brother.
28,000.
Yeah.
It's not a thing.
It's not a thing. Ah.
It's not a thing. There we go.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, no, my brother. Ne, you know what? Ne, I mean, to be honest with you, sometimes I take time to go to church. Ne, but I can advise you. Would say you can just like go there and just receive the message of Christ, and you can just like change the what do you call this? You can just change. You just don't go where you were going previously, since it was. You know what? Now I don't have change. Let me just put it on Uber. Ne? You'll pay to another driver. So the what do you call this? You just go to some other churches. Then just start take it from there. Because I believe that to the church that you were previously, there were some problems there. Maybe there was even jealousy, because you know sometimes when some other church you'll be going there and you'll be thinking, now we brothers, and only to find out that you guys are not brothers, people. They're just looking at an enemy who can play the guitar or the piano more than I do. Yeah,
You know what I wish, bro? I just wish if maybe people can change the way
they
see
behave
things.
and they see. Yeah, sure. Yeah,
It's not everyone who comes to church for music.
from yeah. No, it
not
makes
everyone.
sense, and I got your point.
Some of us, some guys out there,
Yeah,
some guys out there. I know a number of people that I've worked with.
yeah,
Some
sure.
guys out there, they're coming to church with a genuine heart.
Yeah, sure.
As you see, they just come to church. They don't ask for anything. They just come, they minister, they go home.
They go home. Yeah.
You see. So, if maybe we start treating each other as humans
Yeah.
at church.
Yeah.
If we say we are brothers, let's be brothers. If I see you as a brother, if I see you that you are falling here, I have to hold your hand.
Yeah, so that I won't fall
see.
down. Yeah.
After all, we claim to be the body of Christ, right?
Yeah, sure.
So just imagine the leg is not doing so well, then the hand will be like, you know what, I don't care.
That's crazy.
I don't know if you understand what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
nah, I'm getting your point. Yeah.
You know, the head wants to go somewhere, the leg is saying, no, I'm not going.
I'm
there.
not going. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how that body is going to function then if there is
Yeah,
that
if there's
division
that,
in the body.
yeah.
So guys, we need to look into this Christianity thing more deeper.
Yeah. So when are you going to church?
I'm not going.
Hey, sorry guys, something happened with the phone, because I'm using the phone. It went too hot, then it stopped recording. Ne? So yeah, and I've already got another client. So, but what you can do for me, my brother, ne? Just whenever you get time, sit down and think about it.
I will. Definitely I will.
Yeah.
Definitely I will.
Yeah.
But one thing that I just want to tell people out there, let's not kill each other.
Yeah, and you know what, Ness, to believe that you are a good person, ne? Right now I just pick you up where you're helping your brother with his own company. Maybe you won't even get paid for that.
No, I'm not getting paid. He's my boy.
Yeah.
I want him to do good.
So that's
I want to see him doing good.
so that's a proof of saying you are the God's you are a God's son. That's a proof. You just went there to help your brother to do something, and you're not even looking towards to get paid. One thing that you can do for me for now, since you're not ready to go to church, please just sit down and read that Bible, and whenever you feel like I want to go to church, then you start asking people which church I can go to.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, but please just do that for me, my brother. I
Thanks, man.
appreciate you, ne?
Thanks, man. Keep
Yeah.
going.
Yeah.
Keep going, bro.
Yeah, it's a
Let's-
Josie passenger seat.
Okay,
The-
just the passenger seat.
Yeah, seat. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Guys,
It's on YouTube. Yeah.
support the local YouTuber, guys. It's the
Yeah.
right thing to do. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, thanks,
So, man,
Majide.
people,
Let me just go pick this one, you know.
Yeah.
We were gonna talk. It's just that the video was cut because of the phone because it went too hard.
No, it's fine. Just give me a call, bro. Then you can have time.
All right.
You can have time.
Okay, thank you
Cool,
very much, my
keep
brother.
well.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate you, Majine.
Man.
For sure. Hey guys, you know, this guy made me realize that some other people at church, they're going through a lot. So sometimes it's all about pretending and all that. So some other people, bro, if you are a pastor or whoever out there, just make sure you're treating people in a good way as a pastor or as a bishop whatsoever. Don't say things that they're gonna that will move people to church, because what you have to do as a pastor, don't say things that will make people be away from God, because God shows you, I don't know, it's just do the right thing, because some of the things that you're gonna say in church, they're gonna make people leave your church and be like, I will never go to church ever again. So I think as a pastor out there, or ungabe umshumayeli engabe
Just ahead,
ubani,
pick up Oddwell on the left.
ibheke into oyishoyo kubantu, yabona, kungabi into too sensitive, because abanye they just doing things willingly ukuthi they helping, yabona. So manje if wena uzokhuluma izinto ezizoxosha abantu
Pick up
esontweni,
Oddwell on the left.
you are against God, mfisi. You are 100% against God. No matter ngisho ngaqoka amaqhoksi, ugqoka ukhololo, but yabona there is a lot sold right now because of abantu abenze izinto noma bakhuluma in a way that umfethu akathandanga. There is a thing that I once heard previously, kuthiwa kunontombazane owayethanda abafana nje. Then thema kusuka maye esontweni, abomama basesontweni bathi uyaphi lo uzonzana uzofuna amadoda la esontweni. That's not how Jesus Christ wants you to do things, mfethu. Mawubona uthi okay fine, umbiza with the F word sekala, mluleke khona ezoyeka abafana, mfethu. Mluleke khona ezoyeka abafazi babantu. Ungathi na i-drug deal izongena esontweni, ufuna uzodayisa ama-drugs esontweni. Hayi ngoba ezodayisa ama-drugs esontweni, ufuna uNkulunkulu, maye wena mase usukhuluma uthi uzonzani lana, kanti kwenziwani esontweni, yabona. So yeah, I'm not talking izinto ezisensitive because abanye bazothi hayi I'm judging people or whatsoever, but hey, life you must fight ukuthi whatever you say, you must make sure ukuthi it's not gonna destroy people's life, or it's not gonna change people how they think about church. Because one day uzobuzwa mfethu. One day bazokbuza, uzobuzwa ukuthi there are 5 people who left church because of you. Yabona. Uhamba uyosha nje mfethu esihogweni ushela ukuthi wena kunento wayekhuluma then waxosha umuntu okwasetshenzwa kanzima ukuthi accepte uNkulunkulu as the Lord and Savior. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry I'm taking videos with the phone, and if only vele yashisa then yaphuma kwi camera. There are some other things umfethu akayishilo ezingeke zivele lapha ngenxa ukuthi ifoni vele yacisha. So yeah, thank you very much. You guys enjoy. Danko.